I'm puzzled over the idea that there are a lot of people who do not know the difference between giving up and finding wisdom. Giving up for me is when somebody decides to give up on their kids. You deciding to give up on a good relationship. You deciding to give up on a good career. You deciding to give up on a good job. That's you giving up on something because of some small obstacles. For me, that's the meaning of giving up. But when you decide to leave a relationship that's been doing nothing but sucking the life out of you, that has absolutely nothing to do with giving up. That's just you finding wisdom. That's just you realizing staying in that relationship is going to be the end of you. Staying in that relationship is you saying that you don't ever want to be happy. Staying in that relationship is you saying that you always want to be abused. Staying in that relationship is you giving up on yourself. And by relationship, I mean it could be anybody. Relationship between parents, relationship between somebody that you've known your entire life, relationship between friends, anybody who's not bringing happiness in your life, anybody who tend to destroy your joy instead of helping you grow. You walking away from that person has nothing to do with giving up. You rethinking your options because you want a better life has absolutely nothing to do with giving up. And I know society is gonna start telling you things like, yeah, you were married, but now you are no longer married because you decided to give up on your marriage. The craziest thing about that is that a lot of people don't even know what people go through when they are married. The craziest thing about that is that society will always find something to say about a relationship they've never been part of. But if the relationship is destroying you more than helping you live, you leaving that relationship is not you giving up on nothing. By you walking away from that relationship, that's you finding wisdom. That's you realizing there are things that you do not want to deal with anymore. At that point, you made the firm decision to walk away. That has absolutely nothing to do with you giving up. That has absolutely nothing with you being weak. That has absolutely nothing to do with you not trusting the process. Wisdom comes from experience. You learn from your mistakes, you do what you gotta do, and you use those tools to shape up your life the way you want it to be. So the next time anybody wants to use the judgment against any decision that's gonna help you grow from things that was haunting your life, remind them to mind their own business. Because finding wisdom has absolutely nothing to do with giving up.